Hello everyone, my name's Janae and welcome to Diamond Painting Reviews by Janae. Today we're going to do an unboxing with this painting. Now this is part 2 of the Mien Store anniversary purchase that I made, and now that I know that this actually came from the Mien Store, I can say I came from the Mien Store. Never mind, just ignore me. Anyway, before I open this up, just a reminder for those of you that are interested, there is going to be a May challenge starting on the 1st of May, which hopefully this will be posted before then. If not, I do apologize, but there is a May challenge going on, and it's being hosted by the Facebook group called Crafty Things by Janae and Island Girl. Any craft is eligible to join, so it's not limited to diamond painting. So if you're a colorist, or if you do paint by number, crocheting, knitting, any of those types of crafts, you are more than welcome to participate in this challenge. So I will have all that information down below in the description if you're interested. Now there will be 3 prizes at the end of the challenge, and there will be 4 surprise prizes throughout the month of May. So again, I hope to see you all there. I will have the Facebook group link down below as well. All right, so let's take a look at this painting. This is a custom painting. Now, the group that I'm doing this for has absolutely no idea that I'm doing this. This is going to be a big surprise. And the reason why I decided to do this is because the group that I'm doing this painting for are amazing people, and I wanted to do something a little bit special for them. Now, those of you that have been following me for some time know that me and Mr. Review go to Mexico during the winter. Now, we only stay there for a couple of weeks, but nevertheless, we really like going down there. And there's one place that we really love, and that is the Hotel Tropicana in Puerto Vallarta. And so I decided that I was going to do a custom painting for them, and it is their hotel logo. So I hope they really like it, and I have some ideas on what I'm going to do and swap out some colors. So I'm going to go over that with you once I open this up. But oh my gosh, this is going to be big. Now I can't really remember the size, but I know it's banner size. So let's take a look in the box and see how the Mien Store did. Now this is the first time I have done a custom with the Mien Store. So I thought, I'm really burnt out on squares. That's not going to open. So I thought I'm going to go ahead and get it through the Mien Store, because I know that they just do rounds. So, and I was really, really impressed with the Great Wall of China that I got from them. And that was a big painting. So I'm looking forward to this one. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, inventory sheet. Well, at least this box doesn't stink as bad as the other one does. All right, so got another pair of flimsy, useless tweezers. Inventory sheet, definitely like that. And then here's the canvas. So everything must be inside here. So we've got 2 toolkits, and we're going to roll this out. Holy smokes, this thing's going to be huge. Okay. Oh, it's falling. There. Here are the drills, and the primary color is going to be white, as you can see. So we're just going to put this off to the side. And let's take a look We don't need to look at those. Let's look at the toolkits first. Now again, the Man Store, I find, are very generous, and they give you tons of Ziploc bags. They give you little labels, a huge plate of wax. These are the basic long green trays, but really, you know, I mean, it's okay, you know, but they give you 2 of them, and they give you the really nice multi-placers as well. So 2 toolkits. And then we're going to look, oops, there's the inventory sheet. Let's look at this canvas. Oh my gosh, this is gonna look so nice. You know what, I'm going to do it this way because you guys won't be able to see it the other direction. So, holy smokes, this is gonna be huge. Okay, so here we go. So, there is part of it here. And I'm just going to bring it along. And you can see, this is their hotel logo. And I can't wait to start this. This is going to be really nice when it's done. This is a whopping 50 by 120. Wow, that is going to be a lot. It has 29 colors. And it looks like the majority of it is going to be color blocking, which is, I'm okay with that. But my plan is to put some green crystals through here. And then I have some gold crystals, as well as some AB drills that I can use in the stars and in the lettering here. So I'm looking forward to doing this, and I have plenty of time. I figure, okay, we're going back to Mexico in late January. So I have until late January to get this done. Not a problem. I got tons of other things I need to do too, but yeah, I think I'll get this done. Anyway, wow, this is big. This is big. So again, Man Store, poured glue. I love their poured glue method. The canvas is really nice. It's not frayed. The symbols are very clear and easy to read. Now, again, their schematic is very small, so I'm going to have to see about getting that put on an Excel spreadsheet and enlarging it. But I'm definitely very, very pleased with how this turned out. It is beautiful. Now, I did ask for their advice in regards to the size, and I think they picked a really good size. We'll see though, because I'm the one that has to put it together. So let's go ahead and look at the drills first, and then we'll bring the camera down and we can look at the drill field and the schematics. So if you are sensitive to the sound of the opening bag, please go ahead and mute your devices until you see me stop struggling with the bag. Then you know it's safe to come back on. So here we go, guys. All right, so let's see how many. We're just going to move all of these. Holy smokes, look at all this white. Now this is 3865. Wow. That's a lot. All right, so here's my pile of whites. And then let's see, we've got, let's see, 415. Oh, we got some really, oh, that's the green here, yeah. 907. Let's see what we have. 613. So just going to flip these over here. So everyone, I'm going to go ahead and pause the camera very quickly. I just want to make sure that I have all of my drills here, and we'll be right back. All right, everyone, I'm back, and I have all the colors here. You guys, I have 72,500 of these. That is a lot of color. So what we're going to do is we're going to clear this off. I'm going to bring the camera down so that you can take a look at the drill field and the schematics, and we'll be right back. All right, everyone, we're back. And as you can see, the drill field is very, very clear. Sorry about my nails. And it just looks really nice. It looks like it's going to blend in really nice with that white background here. Lots of color blocking that's going to happen. So I'm hoping that that means that this painting is going to go quickly, but you never know. So let me show you the schematics on this. Again, this is a very small schematic, and yeah, I'm not really pleased with that. But you know, again, you can always take a picture of it and transport it into an Excel spreadsheet and make your labels bigger. So yeah, that's the only thing I would say that they really need to work on is the size of their schematic, because that's really, really tiny. Anyway, just check the glue here. As you can see, it's very tacky. So very pleased with the way they put this painting together for me, and I'm excited to do this. So again, we're going to go ahead and pause the camera so I can bring the camera back up, and we're going to take one last look at this gorgeous painting. We'll be right back. Okay, everyone, we are back, and again, this painting is a whopping 50 by 120. Yeah, I know. What was I thinking? But I really wanted to do this for this group, so I'm looking forward to taking this down when we go to Mexico. This is a full round drill, and as I said, I'm going to be swapping the colors with some crystals that I have and some ABs. So stay tuned, and I will be doing some time-lapse video with this painting. I hope you guys will all join me. So everybody, by saying that, if you enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, I hope that you'll consider subscribing to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe, please don't forget to hit the bell that is right next door to that subscribe button. That bell will let you know when I've uploaded my next video. So everyone, if it is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If it's afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if it is evening for you, have a very relaxing evening. Again, my name's Janae. Thank you for spending some time with me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Take care, everyone. God bless. Bye for now.